Today we're going to be checking out the 100% compostable mailers from NoIssue, which means you are helping the environment, you're helping the earth, you are possibly differentiating yourself as a vendor in the market, and also you have something really cool you can ship out to people because this still looks very beautiful. So let's check these out, see what they're all about, how much they are, and whether or not they're going to work for your business. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturday. Now, in the interest of full disclosure, I did receive free samples of this from NoIssue in exchange for an honest review. And if you've never heard of NoIssue, they do make a customized tissue paper and stickers primarily. When I say stickers, I don't mean a sheet of stickers like a sticker book that you'd send out with your planners. I'm talking about stickers for packaging, for labels, for boxes, something with a logo, those types of stickers. I think these come in different colors, but the ones they sent me were black. And it says NoIssue Eco Packaging Alliance. And then it says, hey, I'm a 100% compostable mailer. So right away, when your customers receive this, they can feel good about what they've purchased and also know that you are helping the environment. So over here it says, let's break it down. I'm made out of plant material like corn and more corn. I'm a magician in the compost. I'll disappear in 6 months. And if you don't think that's impressive, ask a plastic bag how long it takes. Find out more about me and how I fit into the mix here. And they have their URL. And I'm guessing this is a, I don't know, Austria thing for approval for composts. And it has their logo and their handle. Now, I will say, I know you can't smell these. They do smell a little odd. So that's just something to get used to. But over here, I really like this. It has a self-adhesive over here. That's actually pretty sticky. So you can seal it up just like that, and it's not going to come off. So it's good to go. Now, what makes this 100% compostable and friendly to the environment? This is actually made of corn. Without getting too much into the specifics, the whole process of creating this, as well as the mailer itself, is easier on the environment than, say, plastic. Now, because of that, you have to think about the longevity of how long you can keep this on your shelf. It is biodegradable, and they do advise that after 9 months, you probably shouldn't be mailing it out. It will be disintegrating, which is what it's supposed to do. That's what we want it to do. And it's thin. It's not really thick. I don't think, something, if you put a planner in here, I don't feel like it's going to break through. It doesn't feel weak, kind of thin, like the plastic that you have at the grocery store. So it's pretty hardy, but I think they said if they made it any thicker, which they could, it's not going to be biodegradable. It's going to take much longer than 6 months to break down. So, if you have something that you're really worried it has very sharp edges, you might want to call and check with them first before you actually use this. Now, the other thing that's really cool about this is you can get these. So this actually says I'm compostable, right? But you could get this if you're able to order in bulk of 30,000 or more. They will do some customization and do some printing for you. These retail for about 50 cents each if you order a minimum order of 100. Anything over that, the price does go down, obviously, like everything else, because you're ordering more of them. So just check that out. Depending on your order, they probably do custom quotes if you have maybe 10,000 or something. Now, the other thing that's kind of neat, aside from it obviously being waterproof, just like you would expect from a normal plastic material, is you can write on it. So let's say you just want to write a thank you note to everybody or just put a nice heart there. So I wrote on here with some gold, like a gold Sharpie. I wrote with a silver Sharpie. The silver didn't show up as well as the gold. It could have just been my pen. It is maybe a little old. And you can obviously put stickers on there. This is a happy birthday sticker, but you can put any stickers you want on there. And also here on the back, it says, let's break it down. And it talks about how eco-friendly it is as well over here. Now, I really like these colors. I think they're pretty. I believe these are the only colors it comes in right now. You could check, again, if you have 30,000 or more for a custom order. So let me know in the comments below what you think about using a biodegradable, compostable, I hope I'm saying that correctly, mailer, and if that's really important to your business, because to be honest, it is much cheaper to purchase plastic off of Amazon, but you're not really helping the environment. So it's just something to think about. Let me know below if it's worth it for you to go with compostable, or if you think you're going to go ahead and stick with plastic. All right, I hope everyone is having a fabulous day, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.